I got one more nightie, which is the cutest. Look at this. Well, this one has like the Cinderella on it. And I have this parcel to open from Nika. Body mist. This one is like my favorite, and it's very viral also, and it's worth the hype. It's this vanilla vibes perfume from Plum, and after applying this you will literally smell like a sweet cupcake. Makeup remover. Lip balm. And then there is this castor oil for my eyelashes and eyebrow.
Wasn't meant to live the Ponyo? Ponyo, fishing in the sea. I will be at him too. Think such a friend. Okay, will you swim back to?
At the edge of the ocean will begin again. An end to the era of those abominable humans.
Fish with faces who come out of the sea for tsunamis. Don't take me, I promise.
Become so powerful.
Good morning guys, let's make some yummy pancakes together. So my batter is ready and I'm gonna top it with some cinnamon, apple, jaggery, kind of like a combination, like a syrup. It's like a, I don't know what it is, it's something. And in this I have added like the ragi flour, the wheat flour, then some cocoa powder and jaggery, milk, water. I don't have a baking soda. Let's begin. Yeah, and I also added some ghee. You can add butter, but even ghee works. let's have this and see if it's genuinely worth it. It's like okay. I mean, if you like apples, you will love it. This tastes good.
Boleh pegang.